What can I make for dinner with chicken, spinach, and sweet potatoes? Type that into ChatGPT. Free, no account needed on the basic version, and it hands you a full recipe in seconds. But here's where it gets actually useful. Ask it something bigger. Try. I have chicken, spinach, sweet potatoes, canned tomatoes, eggs, and rice. Build me a 5-day meal plan using mostly what I have, with a short shopping list for anything missing. That's it. One message, ChatGPT, which is just a free AI ChatGPT tool at openai.com, will map out breakfast, lunch, and dinner, tell you what to grab from the store, and keep it realistic. Not fancy restaurant stuff, actual food you can make on a Tuesday night. The plan it builds will reuse ingredients across meals so nothing goes to waste. Leftover chicken from Monday shows up in Wednesday's wrap. The sweet potatoes pull double duty. It thinks like a meal prep AI that actually knows your fridge. And if this is the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. Here's where most people stop short. They get the plan, say cool, and close the tab. Don't do that. Go back and push it. Tell it, I only have 20 minutes most nights. Simplify the dinners. Or, my kid won't eat anything spicy, adjust the whole plan. Or, I'm trying to eat more protein. Can you flag the macros? It adjusts instantly, every time. This is what makes AI meal planning actually different from a recipe website. It responds to you specifically, not to some average person it imagined. You can also ask it to write a grocery list organized by aisle. Genuinely useful. Takes 3 seconds. The thing that surprises people most. They already have more in their fridge than they think. AI just connects the dots. Next video. How to use AI to build a full week of lunches for under $30 with real ingredient prices. If today helped, tap the like button. It genuinely helps more people find this stuff.